everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my really easy day-to-day no makeup look. So yeah, enjoy! So what I'm going to put on first is the By Terry CC Serum, and this one's in Sunny Flash. They do a few different colours, but I like this one because it gives a nice glow to the skin and also makes you look a bit more tanned as well, which is so good. It smells amazing, literally like rose. And it might look a bit crazy to start off with, but I'm gonna put something on top so I don't look so brown. So as you can see, it adds a really nice glow and radiance to the skin, and it's a great primer as well under makeup, but you could literally just leave it like this and just wear this by itself. But actually I'm going to go in with my Erborian CC Red Correct cream next. So this is like a CC cream, but it's actually more focused for people with like red skin, uneven skin tone, and basically like CC means colour correct, and yeah, it's just a great alternative for foundation, so it's not as heavy as foundation but still evens out skin tone and just adds a nice base on the skin. So yeah, I'm just going to put some on. I can get it out. Oh, it also has SPF 25, I think. Yeah, 25 in, which is great, so you're protected from the sun as well. So good for like on holiday, but also for like day to day as well. So obviously it comes out green, but that helps counteract against the redness, so you're not going to end up with a green face, don't worry. Erborian also does like other CC creams as well, so they do like the original one, which isn't the Red Correct one, and that's really great as well. As you can see, it's really evened out my skin tone and helped reduce the appearance of my redness, but it also looks really natural on the skin, so you can still see a bit of my natural skin underneath as well, which is quite nice, and still looks really nice and glowy as well. So I'm just going to put some concealer on, and I'm actually going to use a slightly different concealer to my last video. So I'm going to use the Nars, the soft matte complete concealer. So it's actually like a little concealer pot, so it comes like this, and I'm using the colour Light 1, and you can literally just like, you can pop your finger in or a brush or whatever and just dab it on where you feel like you need it. So yeah, you can literally choose where you want it, so I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and just dab it on the places that I feel I need it. You can build up to quite good coverage actually, but it still looks really nice and natural. I'm going to take a little bit onto my eye, just dab a little bit on, and you can put it on any blemishes as well that you have. Just super easy to apply, you can literally just use your finger to blend it in, so just tap it out. And it just looks super natural and feels really lightweight on the skin as well. And I've chosen a slightly lighter colour just to help brighten under my eyes as well. So yeah, just super easy, super quick as well. And then I'm just literally gonna dust a bit of my favourite powder all over. If you see my last video, you know it is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Dim Light. And it's my favourite. So yeah, I'm literally just gonna get a big fluffy brush and dust it all over. So now that's all set in place, I'm just going to grab my bronzer and just dust a little bit of that over as well. And again, it's my favourite bronzer at the moment, it's the Hourglass one that I used in my other video. So I'm just going to swirl the brush around and not really be that precise where I put it, just quickly dust them over. And next I'm going to put a tiny bit of blusher on as well, so just using another one of my favourites, and this is the Mercier blusher in Chai. And then I'm going to put a tiny bit of highlighter on as well, just to give it a little bit more of a glow. I'm going to use the Becca Champagne Pop as well. So next for my eyebrows, I'm literally just going to put some eyebrow gel through them, and that one I'm using is the, come on focus, the Eyeko Brow Gel. So just a really nice, affordable as well, brow gel. So it comes in like a brownie colour. I'm just going to comb through my brows. So it's just great for like keeping them in place and giving them a bit of definition as well. Yeah, that's it, just really simple. It doesn't matter if they're a little bit messy as well, because I feel like that looks a bit more natural. Ooh. And then for eyes, literally all I do is take a bit of bronzer, so it can be any bronzer that you've got. I'm just gonna use one actually that's basically run out, so this is the Becca one. So you can see it's literally like almost run out, but it's got a little bit left, so I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow brush, if I can find one. Let me zoom you in a tiny bit as well so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm literally just gonna take some all over. Focusing a bit more on the outer corner, just because I like to do that, to add like a bit of a winged effect. And then yeah, just gonna take some more, put some on the other eye. I'm literally just going to take some more bronzer and just dust a little bit under my eye as well, just to join up where I put it on the lid. you could literally just leave your eyes like this and then pop a bit of mascara on. But I might just put a little bit of shimmer on, just on the lid. And I'm going to use one of the Mercier Caviar sticks. So it's like a eyeshadow stick, if I can open it. And this one is like a nice sort of goldy colour. If it will focus. And these are amazing because you can literally just put it on, blend it out, and they don't crease or budge all day, which I still find crazy because you think a cream eyeshadow would be more likely to crease, but these don't budge. So I'm literally just going to put some all over the lid. And you can actually build them up to be really nice and pigmented, but I'm just going to smudge it out. So yeah, just adds a nice little bit of shimmer on the eyes, and again just super easy, which I love, and super quick as well. So next I'm just going to pop some mascara on, and if you've got time, I always like to just curl my eyelashes a bit if I'm not wearing fake eyelashes. So I'm just going to curl them. So I'm just going to put some mascara on, and again I'm going to use my favourite one at the moment, which is the Hourglass Caution Mascara. So yeah, that's the mascara all applied. So for my lips I'm going to use the By Terry Balm de Rose in, they do tinted ones, and this one is in Toffee Cream, so it's like a really nice brownie nude colour. And these are literally so moisturising and hydrating, and they make your lips feel so soft. And they smell like roses as well. So I'm just going to grab some of that. Adds a really nice tint on the lips and also keeps them hydrated throughout the day as well, which is great. So yeah, that's the finished look. So it's super easy and super quick, and it just makes you feel a bit more awake and refreshed. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and give it a like, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you soon with some more videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.